What are we doing to help train the customers or make it easier for the customers to classify their freight today?
Loadsmart, really, we're a technology company at heart. We really aim to lead with technology solutions for shippers and for carriers alike. And so we've built into our TMS an NMFC lookup tool that works very similar to a Google search function, where you can just type in a couple of keywords and you will have immediate visibility as to whether or not it's a singular class item or a density-based item. And we do require dimensions when running a quote or creating an order in our TMS. So we're calculating the PCF and the overall density of the pallet and or the shipment. And then separately, we've built in a suggested class, again, based on that new refined density scale, that, as we see more and more commodities move in this direction, allow customers to quote with confidence that they are properly classified.